Turn the tap and you'll get water. We expect a constant supply of water, but collecting and treating around 828 million litres of water to around 90 odd different treatment works around Wales to our homes through 30,000 kilometres of pipes. Yeah, that's quite complicated. But Welsh Water have to deal with lots of different challenges. Major bursts, Wales's challenging geography, and unpredictable weather, all of which could interrupt your supply of water. So to prepare, Welsh Water need to build a more flexible water network in order to transfer water from one place to another should there be a problem. Reliability is key to the success of Welsh Water, which means Welsh Water are constantly evaluating where they need to increase capacity, build new treatment works, or replace major pipes. They've also got to deal with our mountainous Welsh terrain. So how do you get water from the top of a mountain to the treatment works? So we're here in Cwm Strallin in Eryri, and Andrew's here with me from Welsh Water. Tell me about the work that you do here in this lake and how does it filter down then into the treatment works?
This is the start of the process. Water comes out to the sky, into the lake, overflows down the river, down to the works at Open Mine, approximately about 5 miles away, for it to be cleaned and processed.
Now we're going down to the treatment works. It's quite noisy here, but with me is Rodri. You work here. Tell me about the process of treating the water.
So basically this is the first stage of the water treatment process. The water comes in, goes through the hydro turbine and generates electricity, which goes back to the national grid. Then we add 2 chemicals and coagulants, and then the water beneath.
And this then is the last stage of the process, Rodri.
The main purpose of these is to remove manganese, so our customers don't get discoloured water. From here then goes on, gets a bit of chlorine, contact tank, into the res, and then out to our customers.
Simple as that?
Simple as that.
So what happens if that treatment works fails or there's a mechanical fault? Behind me underground there's enough water to keep the local area going for at least 20 hours. They also use solar panels here, another example of how Welsh Water try to keep costs down. This treatment works behind me is an example of how Welsh Water have invested in order to ensure that we at home have got a clean and reliable source of drinking water. So if you want this investment to continue and want Welsh Water to make the network more resilient and react to any problems that might occur in order to keep your lovely water flowing 24/7. Let them know. How? By clicking on the link below. It'll take you less than 4 minutes. 3, 2, 1, click.